Design thinking is a dynamic problem-solving approach that harnesses creativity and empathy to craft user-centric solutions. It's a method of innovation that resolves around 5 key stages: empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. At its core, design thinking encourages you to put yourself in the shoes of the end user, deeply understand their needs, and redefine problems from their perspective. With this insight, you generate a wide array of imaginative solutions, create quick prototypes to bring ideas to life, and test them with users for feedback. It's a process that's not just about solving problems, it's about transforming them into opportunities for innovation. On that note, hello everyone, welcome to this session on the design thinking process. Before we begin, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest tech content from Edureka. Also, take a look at the Creativity, Problem Solving and Design Thinking course offered by Edureka in India in collaboration with the University of Cambridge Online. From this course, you will discover how creativity helps solve problems and how to use design thinking in business tasks. You will also learn various thinking skills to tackle challenges and overcome biases. This course is curated and developed in partnership with the University of Cambridge Online, ensuring participants receive a certificate of achievement from the university and access placement assistance from Edureka. Upon successfully finishing the Creativity, Problem Solving and Design Thinking certification course, you will receive an industry-recognized certificate of achievement from the University of Cambridge Online. To know more details about the course curriculum and the skill it covers, please check out the course link provided in the description box below. Now let's get started. As discussed earlier, the design thinking process typically consists of 5 key stages: empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. So let us get into a clear explanation of each stage in detail. The first stage is empathize. The first stage involves understanding the problem or challenge from the perspective of the end user or stakeholders. It's about developing empathy for the people you are designing for. This stage includes conducting research, interviews, observation, and surveys to gather insights and data. It's essential to listen actively, ask open-ended questions, and immerse yourself in the user's world to understand their needs, desire, and pain points. The outcome of the empathize stage is a deeper understanding of the user's perspective, which informs the rest of the design thinking process. The next stage is define. In the define stage, you synthesize the information collected during the empathize phase and define the core problem or need you aim to address. It's about reframing the problem from a user-centric standpoint. You create a clear and actionable problem statement or design challenge. This stage requires refining the insights from the empathize stage to pinpoint the most critical issues. The outcome of the define stage is a well-defined problem statement that serves as a foundation for ideation and solution development. And the next step is ideate. Ideation is all about generating a wide range of creative ideas and potential solutions without judgment. It's a stage of open and creative thinking. Teams brainstorm, collaborate, and explore various concepts and solutions. Techniques like mind mapping, brainstorming sessions, and sketching are commonly used to encourage diverse perspective and creativity. The outcome of ideation is a collection of diverse ideas and concepts that can be further developed into solutions. And the next step is prototype. Prototyping involves creating tangible representations of the ideas generated during the ideation phase. These prototypes help in making the concepts more tangible and testable. You develop rough sketches, physical models, or digital prototypes to bring the ideas to life. These prototypes are often quick and low-cost, designed for testing and iteration. The outcome of the prototype stage is a set of prototypes that can be used to communicate and test the potential solutions. And the final stage is test. Testing is about gathering feedback from the users by sharing the prototypes with them. This stage aims to validate and refine the solutions. You observe how people interact with the prototypes and gather their reactions and opinions. User feedback is collected to understand what works and what needs improvement. The outcome of the test stage is valuable user feedback that informs the refinement and improvement of the solutions. If necessary, the process can loop back to the previous stages for further iteration. These 5 stages of design thinking work together iteratively and flexibly, allowing teams to create user-centered, innovative, and effective solutions by continuously improving and adapting their ideas and prototypes based on real user insights. To gain a deeper insights into the design thinking process, let's look at how it is used in designing real products. Design thinking is a way to create user-friendly and creative products. A real-life example of this is the development of the Apple Watch. Apple began by understanding the needs of potential users. They conducted extensive research to comprehend and how people use technology in their daily lives, as well as the limitation of existing variables. Based on their research, Apple defined the challenge as creating a smartwatch that seamlessly integrates with user lives, offering health and fitness tracking, notifications, and a seamless user experience. In ideate stage, Apple held brainstorming sessions where designers and engineers generated various ideas for the watch design and features. They considered how it could be aesthetically pleasing, comfortable to wear, and provide genuine value to the users. Prototyping in this case involved creating physical mock-ups of the watch and experimenting with different materials, sizes, and the user interfaces. Apple produced numerous working prototypes to fine-tune the design. In the final stage, that is test, the prototypes were tested with the real users. Apple collected feedback on the comfort, usability, and overall experience of wearing the watch. This iterative process led to multiple revisions based on user inputs. The Apple Watch that emerged from this design thinking process is a prime example of a successful product design. It reflects a deep understanding of the user needs, offers a seamless and intuitive interface, and has become a popular wearable device known for its health and fitness tracking capabilities. Design thinking played a crucial role in turning the concept of a smartwatch into a product that resonated with users and disrupted the wearables market. And with this, we have come to the end of this session. I hope you have enjoyed the video. And if you did, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and keep learning.
I hope you have enjoyed listening to this video. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries, and we will reply them at the earliest. Do look out for more videos in our playlist and subscribe to Edureka channel to learn more. Happy learning!